Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Temu haul video. This is my third order. I did buy all these items myself. This video is not sponsored. So this is just a small haul. I've got 6 items to share. I spent $10.86. This was actually kind of like a spur of the moment purchase. There was an item that I really wanted, but I've had in my cart for a while, but I haven't bought it yet. So I was watching someone else's haul video and they had it in theirs, and I clicked on it and they were having a, I clicked on the link and they were having a flash sale on it. But there is a $10 minimum that you have to buy, so I did purchase a couple things. I do want to add that this order did take 2 weeks to get here. It took a while. They were having trouble packaging it and shipping it. I guess that they've been super busy. So I did get a $5 credit for my next order because my package was late, which I'm totally okay with a $5 credit. But I'm going to save that item for last. Okay, so the first item that I got are these little paper notes collection. There are 100 pieces in here. And the back shows what is in there. Okay, so this is what they look like. They are like a vintage style, and some of them are in another language. Kind of map looking ones. Got these ones. They do get a variety, kind of a little vintage note card. So it looks like you do get like 2 of each one of them. Just cute little papers you can use for scrapbooking or journaling. Okay, so I did pay $1.98 for these. The next thing I got are these firework stickers. So you get 20 of these, and they are $1. They're $1.98. These are neat looking. These are the white ones. So I'll get paper to put them in front of. They are the white ones, but they do have like a purple gold coloring. Purple gold coloring in them. They've got some holographic in it. And they are the clear back stickers. So I had to pause the video because I had to check these little firework stickers. It says that they are stickers and that they are adhesive, but I've tried a few of them and do not see anywhere where they pull apart. Maybe it's just me, but I can't get any of them apart, so I don't know if they are actually stickers. Okay, no, I finally got it. No, yeah, okay. So they are actually stickers. I don't know if you can tell, but I did finally was able to get them apart. Took a while, but I got them apart. So these are super cute. I do like them. They do have other colors. So I'll probably get other colors of those. So the next thing I got is this cute little paper pack. $1.68. You get 12 pieces. This is the marble pack. I do have a bigger scrapbook paper pack like this that I got elsewhere, but I do really like the marble designs on here. So you get 12 and you get one of each. I think they are super pretty. So I probably should have got more than one. So those are that. Love those. So I did get another ring. I absolutely love rings. This one, can't really see it. Okay, so this is a leaf zircon open style ring. So it is a little bit adjustable. Very pretty. So it is gold tone. It goes around, but then the middle right here is open, so that you can adjust it a little bit. Super pretty though. This was 71 cents. Really like that. That's cute. And I did have to get another kitty toy. The box is a little smashed. Hopefully it still works. It says it is a chirping ball. And I did get the blue one. I think we had a couple other colors. This was $2.58. So it's a little fuzzy ball. It has eyes. You've got the little pull tab right here. Okay, sounds like a frog. Okay, so he's got a couple different noises. Gotta hit him for him to make noises. So we'll see if the kitty's like that. He is cute. And now we'll see. I think that the price is, it's okay for what it is. I probably wouldn't buy another one, but we'll see if the kitties like it. Okay, so the last item that I got was what I was wanting, is why I initially made the purchase. I got one of the flowing sand art thingies, and exactly what it's called. So this was what was on the flash sale, so I got it for $1.29. I've seen a few people haul this. so it comes packaged nicely in the foam. So you've got the base for it. And then your little like, I don't even know what you call it, but this part sits in the base. I did get the purple one because I love purple. And you can turn it around. It reminds me of all the little sand art things that I would make when I was little. Got a little bit of gold in there. But I just thought they're super neat. And really, for $1.29, I couldn't pass it up. I don't remember whose haul it was, but that was, 2 weeks ago, because it did take 2 weeks to get here. That's super cool, like that. Okay, so that is my small haul from Temu. I'm happy with the items that I got. If you are interested in any of these items, just leave me a comment down below and I will get the link to you. I think that the sand art things normally are like around $10. They probably not having the flash sale on those anymore. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.